women legislature in the KP Assembly have voiced their anger against growing incidents of underage marriage, sexual abuse, and murder of children. They have demanded answers from the provincial government over the delay in legislation that criminalizes child marriages and domestic violence. The outcry was sparked due to ghastly incidents in recent weeks. The marriage of a disabled 20-year-old girl to a teenager, which culminated in her death, allegedly at the hands of her in-laws in Lower Dir, the marriage of an 11-year-old girl in district, and the rape of a 13-year-old in Charsadda district. During the session, Orakzai of the PPP correctly pointed out that although the Punjab and Sindh assemblies had already passed laws to stop domestic violence against women, KP is yet to legislate on early marriages or domestic violence. In response to Ms. Orakzai's demand for aggressive legislation, the province law minister informed the House that a proposed law regarding domestic violence against women had been referred to the House Select Committee, which the Child Marriage Restraint Bill would also be presented before the Cabinet. That KP lawmakers have dragged their feet on such crucial legislation for so long is of a large problem. The lack of political will to protect women and children from abuse and violence. Child marriages are a violation of fundamental human rights.